Today we're going to bring a tattoo equipment kit. Now, everything included comes with a package, all right? Including the actual tattoo gun itself, all right? And I'm going to go a little bit more details on this part. Now, this is rechargeable type C on it. They give you the soap, different types of colors, the numbing cream. They give you actual gloves, needles, extra different size of needles, floss, and then a practice sheet, all right? And it's a little heavy duty, and then you're gonna feel a little moisture because it's more like skin, all right? And instructions, and of course, where you're gonna actually put in, fill in the colors, right? Now, we're going to take a look at the machine first, and then we're going to go a little bit more details. On the side of the machine, you're going to find the modes, the plus, the minus, and the power on. And then this is going to be the degree angle of the actual depth that you're going to be engraving the hand, because it is the tattoo and it's going to be going in depth. All right, so you could change it from here, different degrees, depending on the needle that you're using. Now, to turn it on, all you got to do is hold down the power button here, right? And there's a couple modes in here. If you go to modes, right now that's 12 volts, right? We're going to change it to 4 volts, 7.9 volts, and it goes back to 12. So that's 3 different modes, all right? To turn it on, you hit the power button on, all right? And of course, you could change the modes. And the modes is going to be the repetition on it. It slows down and different tones, all right? So, and then of course, you could even slow it down with the plus and minus. And right now, you could hear it on the actual floor here. So it is a little, it's moving. So hold on to the power button and it turns off, all right? The screen, LCD screen, is going to display the actual different modes. The needle goes in the bottom. Let's go ahead and test this out right now. First of all, they do give you the transfer paper. And this paper, you are going to need water to transfer into the tattoos. What I recommend you before you start using this stuff is that you practice, all right? If you're not familiar with it, even if you're a tattoo artist, a veteran on this, I suggest every time you get a new machine, always test out everything, because they're all different. Because the way this one feels is a little larger than normal ones. Some are powered, some are not powered, but this is wireless. And of course, it comes with the type C to recharge it. We're going to test it out and see how well it works. All right, we're going to set up the first time a needle right here, all right? And if you guys can see, it's a push needle. So it goes in 1 degree. And of course, as soon as you push it down, if you guys can see it, it does pop out right there. So then you could mess around with the depth in here, right? So if you run, right now we're at 3.3, all right? So we could always change it around the lowest, because we don't have too much of a thickness here. And we're at 2.4 right now. But like I said, 2.4 all the way to 4.2. All right, we're going to hit it stop, and we're going to prepare ourselves with the actual the paint, right? So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to put this on the side. All right, so we're going to start the process right now. And like I said, if you're not familiar with it, I did put something underneath of it to actually thicken the actual test, right? So we're going to dip it in a little bit. And then we're going to turn it on to level 1, 2, 3, level 4 for now, and hit OK. Let's see if we could do a heart at least, right? So that's what we're going to do. All right, something like that. Now, all right, so we're working. It's not the greatest thing I'm working on it, but the more you practice, the better you're going to get at things. I mean, this is a great, even beginner's kit, to be honest with you. Now, the one thing you have to really make sure you grab onto and understand it is that, you know, the depth of the actual needle, right? And once you understand that part, it's a little bit easier. So let me stop it here. 1, 2, 3. Now, the great thing about this is that you don't have to go out and actually get an apprenticeship. You can actually start your way at home. And the way the kit is installed, I mean, no instructions necessary. Everything was simple. All the needles are disposable, so you don't have to worry about them if you throw them away or something happens. They give you enough, like they give you soap, they give you everything that's needed to even start, including all the colors and the machine itself. I mean, it's a win-win situation to begin tattooing, understanding the machine itself, and understanding how things work, and of course, including the whole kit. This is a great deal. So hope you guys enjoy this video.